What are nitrosamine impurities? Nitrosamine impurities are a class of chemical compounds known for their potential toxicity and presence as trace contaminants in various synthetic materials. Commonly formed during manufacturing or storage, especially in pharmaceutical and chemical synthesis, nitrosamines are small but significant impurities that can compromise product safety and regulatory compliance. Their structural similarity to carcinogenic compounds makes them particularly concerning in fields such as fine chemicals, raw material processing, and analytical testing. The concern around nitrosamine impurities stems from their chemical reactivity and potential mutagenicity, even in extremely low concentrations. Though not a clinical issue in this context, nitrosamines pose substantial challenges in synthetic chemistry workflows and storage stability for materials used in biochemical and industrial research and development. With increasing global attention on impurity profiling, understanding and controlling nitrosamine formation has become an essential quality control measure. Detecting nitrosamine impurities requires highly sensitive and specific analytical methods. Techniques such as liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, and high-resolution mass spectrometry allow researchers to quantify trace-level nitrosamines with accuracy and reliability. These impurity detection strategies are now integral to impurity profiling protocols in chemical and biochemical product development, supporting compliance, safety, and product performance across preclinical and commercial pipelines. So, while the clinical impact is out of scope here, regulatory agencies such as the FDA and EMA have outlined strict thresholds and technical guidance for acceptable levels of nitrosamine impurities in drug substances and materials. BOC Sciences, your trusted partner for nitrosamine and chemical impurities. BOC Sciences offers a comprehensive suite of nitrosamine impurities, reference standards, and a wide array of qualified impurity products for use in biochemical, synthetic, and industrial research. Our catalog includes structurally characterized nitrosamines with documented purity and stability profiles, enabling accurate detection, quantification, and regulatory compliance. Whether you're optimizing synthetic routes or performing impurity testing, BOC Sciences is equipped to support your analytical workflows. For customized solutions or product inquiries, our scientific team is ready to help. Contact BOC Sciences today and elevate your impurity profiling strategy.